Hey everyone, I'm Dishan and welcome to Desinomation. Here we simplify SolidWorks automation to make designing faster, easier and smarter. So I'm showing you very basic SolidWorks automation here. We are going to write our first macro into SolidWorks. Those who are new, then this is for you. So you will have the taste of what's coming next. So let's dive in. So you can see the SolidWorks is already opened over here. If not, then you need to open SolidWorks first. Then let's start writing our first macro. So in order to writing the first macro, you need to go tool. Then you can see macro and just click or hit on new. So you just need to give the part where you want to save your macro and just write that macro over here like macro. Hit save. So you can see the interface over here. This is not SolidWorks interface, but this is Visual Basic interface where you are gonna writing macros. So what is option explicit, what is theme, what is sub, I will explain you all in later videos. So let's not waste much time and let's start it first. So let's define the SolidWorks application first. So SW app as SLDworks.SLDworks, and let's start our first sub procedure. So let me add sub. My first sub procedure name is main. Let us set the SolidWorks application. So I need to go as set SW app is equal to application dot SLDworks. So let's send message to user that the whatever you message you want to send. So we'll just do sw app dot send message to user 2, and here is the message you want to write. So let's say hello Desinomation, then hit comma. You can see icon and buttons. So what icons and buttons are needed? So if you want to have your if you want to add your own icons or the icons which you want to know, like which icons we can add it over here, so you just need to go to SolidWorks first and you need to go API help. Make sure this is not checked. If this is checked, then it will redirect to the SolidWorks web help and it will open the SolidWorks website. So let's hit API help. So you can see this window. This is the API documentation given by the SolidWorks. So just write send message to user 2. So you can see here, I will just double click and you can see there are 3 variables we need to input to this sub procedure. So send message. So here you can see these are the 3 parameters we need to add in order to run this function. So first one is the message which we already written like hello Desinomation. Second one is the icon we needed. So what I will do, I can open this and you can see numbers of icons which are available inbuilt, or we can say available inside the SolidWorks API. First one is information, question, stop and warning. So here we need to use information and you can see description is given and number is 2. So what we'll do, I just write it over 2 and which button we needed. So let's dive into API help again and see what are type of button available inside this function. So you can say abort, cancel, ignore, hit no, hit OK, retry and yes. So for this message box I just need hit OK, or we can also write the number like 4 number. Okay, so this is the first macro we already have written. Now how to run this macro? So you can see here the green button. Either you can use F5 or hit this button and you can run this macro. So let's just run this sub. So let's hit. You can see here hello Desinomation. The symbol is also here, the information symbol. The button is also here for retry or cancel. So yeah, this is the first macro we have written over here. If you want to try some other buttons or info like symbols over here, you can try on your own. So stay tuned over here. Also, if you need me to create video on any automation, just let me know. We can have it. Thank you.